In this video, I'll show you how to remove distractions from YouTube and how to disable recommended videos on YouTube. Let's get started. For desktop users, open your browser and search for Unhook Remove YouTube Recommendation. Click on the first result. Click the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Click Add Extension. Click on the extension icon. Pin the extension by clicking on the pin icon next to it. Open YouTube in a new tab. As you can see, this extension removes all the YouTube recommendations and distractions. Search for any video you want in the search bar. This extension hides the recommended videos on the home page and sidebar suggestions. It allows you to disable various YouTube elements like the home feed, video sidebar, shorts, comments, and more. Customize it according to your specific needs. Remove specific recommendations from your home page. Click on the three dots next to any recommended video and select Not Interested. Or select Don't recommend this channel to prevent future content from a particular content creator. Do the same thing on the YouTube Watch page. Click on the three dots. Select Block Video to remove the video. Or select Block Channel to block the channel. If you want to reset YouTube recommendations for your account, follow this guide. Go to History on the left sidebar. Click on Clear All Watch History to remove all previously watched videos, which will help reset your recommendations. Click on Clear Watch History. You can pause your watch history. Click on Pause. Click Manage All History. Click Delete. Select Delete All Time. Click Delete. Click on your profile picture. Select your data in YouTube. Scroll down. Click on YouTube Watch History. Turn off this option. Click on the back arrow. Scroll down. Click on YouTube Search History. Turn off this option. Click on your profile icon. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down. Switch off the option for Recommended Videos to stop receiving notifications based on your viewing history. You can do some of these things on the YouTube app on mobile. For mobile users, open the YouTube app. Click on the three dots next to any recommended video and select Not Interested. Or select Don't recommend this channel to prevent future content from a particular content creator. If you want to reset YouTube recommendations for your account, follow this guide. Tap on your profile picture. Tap on the Settings gear icon. Tap on Manage All History. Tap Delete. Select Delete All Time. Tap Delete. Tap Got It. Tap on the back arrow. Select your data in YouTube. Scroll down. Tap on YouTube Watch History. Tap Turn Off. Tap Pause. Tap on the back arrow. Scroll down. Tap on YouTube Search History. Tap Turn Off. Tap Pause. Tap on the back arrow. Tap on the back arrow again. Scroll down. Select Notifications. Turn off Recommended Videos. And that's it. This is how you can disable recommended videos on the YouTube app.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.